Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Gandang Lolas here. So, dito tayo sa Capilano Suspension Bridge, North Vancouver, Canada. So, the Capilano Suspension Bridge is one of the most iconic tourist attraction in British Columbia, known for its stunning views, lush rainforest surroundings, and thrilling experience. But beyond of the adventure lies a fascinating history dating back over 130 years. Early beginning 1889, the original bridge was built in 1889 by George Grant Mackay, a Scottish civil engineer and park commissioner. He purchased 6,000 acres of land on either side of the Capilano River and constructed a simple suspension bridge made in hemp ropes and cedar planks. It was mainly used to access his cabin on the other side of the canyon. So, still and tourism 1990s. So, 1900s. As the bridge gained popularity, underwent major improvement in 1903. The hems rope were replaced with wire cables, making it much safer and stronger. Kasi sa dami-dami ng mga turista na pumupunta. So, they make it safer na rin. Nilagyan nila ng mga wire. Kasi nagsiswing siya ng kami tumatawid. So, hindi naman masyadong nakakatakot. Kasi kung taga-bukid ka, hindi sug ka. Diba? So, over time, the Capilano Suspension Bridge began attracting visitors and a unique sightseeing spot surrounded by the West Coast rainforest. Ownership changed hands several times, each new owner adding features to improve safety and guest experience. So in 1935, McCarran purchased the bridge and invited local indigenous artists to place their two temples in the park, honoring the area's First Nations culture. This helped transform the area into more than just a trail experience and become cultural educational destination. So in 1983, the bridge was purchased again to Nancy Stibarg, who transformed it into a world-class ecotourism destination. Under her leadership, the park was redeveloped to showcase environmental preservation, local heritage, and immersive adventures. So today, the Capilano Suspension Bridge is 137 meters, so 450 feet long and 70 meters to 30 feet above the river. It welcomes over 1 million visitors each year. So, diba? So, sa dami-dami ng mga tourism. So, laking kita na nila. Kaya daming na-improve ang suspension bridge park. So, dinagdagan nila ng 3 tops adventures,
Wiggling.
elevated suspension bridge through the forest canopy. Mayroon na ding cliff walk.
We're on the suspension
Pinuntahan namin.
press.
The series narrow walkways along the granite
This is the fun.
So, mayroong Rainforest Eco Tours at saka two temple parks para sa mga native na din. Panimunuan. Ang namumuno.
Go.
Diba? So, talagang mga improvement na ang Capilano Bridge. At saka, sa dinadayo-dayo ng mga tao. So, imagine,
Crossing the bridge.
$75
Ayoko.
ang babayaran mo bago ka makapasok dito. So, imagine sa dami-daming tao. So, sa $75, times mo ng 40.
Mark.
So, 3,000 piso. Bago ka makapasok dito, tatawid-tawid ka lang ng tulay. Samantalang sa atin, Diyos ko, walang bayad. O mayroon man siguro, pero hindi this much, no? Sa bagay, which is Canada, di ba? Lahat ng mga tao dito, mga nasa city. So, hindi ganito. Tuwang-tuwa na sila pag nakarating ng mga kaitong kagubatan na tatawid-tawid sila, experience sa kanila. Pero sa ating taga-bukid, wala na ne. Lampayot pa man gaya tagbago, no? Sa ato ani, di na ta kay excited mong ani-anhi, pero we have to try na for yun na nga, tourist, andito ka na, puntahan mo na para masabing
Tumatawid kami
yan,
sa
nakarating na ako
suspension
dyan.
bridge.
Diba? O yan. So,
Last
tumawid na
year.
nga kami dito. So, thank you guys for watching and hope you guys enjoy the scenery of Suspension Bridge in Capilano, British Columbia. Have a good day and God bless everyone.
Takot na yan.
Yan lang.
Oh, that reminds me of the glass bridge. You know what I mean?
Ayan. Ikot din namin yan. Ayan. Exercise nga yan sa'yo.
Hindi pa ako nakain ng gamot ko eh.
Ay nako, inuuna mo kasi yung
Which way?
We did just people keep touching it and feeling it and picking at it. Magandang business na. See, this one is a little shaky, right? There's more shaky than the last one, right?
baliw. Galing kami doon. Ayan, doon.
Sorry.
Sorry about that.
No, you can't. You're too big.
Ayan.
Sorry about that.
Driveway forward is touching to a jet to orbit. And right, you can get 500 miles per hour. Hello!
Tatawid sa
Ayan, pero
Ang daming
Why?
tourist kami. Nasaan na yung mga kasama natin? Dito yata. Umikot pa kasi tayo rito eh.
hindi na, una na sila kasi hinantay pa namin.
Hindi na sila umikot yata dito.
Yeah, umikot. Ayun oh, sila oh.
Alin dyan?
Yung tanda.
We have one more bridge left.
This is the most fun. You have to do.
How many people you have now?
Sabi mo po,
Oh, never.
ninja yan ang ari. Oh, ninja? Ninja.
There's on the bottom.
Grabe nga ganda niya.
Ikot-ikot sa malalaking puno. Ayan, oh. Oh. Malaking puno, oh. Yan na, tapos na tayo. I experience there. Ang haba.
Ano yung dahil?
Passport.
Ang haba, oh. Ang taas. Yun, oh.
Hurry up, hurry.
I don't stop my button. Stop!
Better if there's a sunshine.
Yeah. Ang bottom. Yan. Wow. Para ang lalim, baka na lang titingin sa baba.
Ich habe mal ein Video mal sehen, Benne, weil das war ganz, 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 ganz wackelig. Ja,
Sa baba.
Rocks in the water. I see. Where did the rocks come from?
Are you scared, Siska? Siska? Are you scared?
Yeah. It's a little bit too far. Now I'm the imagination how I died.